Find a burger inspired by flavors from near and far that mixes the smoky with the sass of the South. Combines the sweetness of summer with the tang of the country to save me the sizzle.
This was transmitted of the request of the Yorkton government. Around 8 a.m., people spotted unknown people. They will threaten they will attack this country in the next 3 hours. If you spot these people, do not go near them, as they unknown if they are going to attack anyone in this country in their sight. So stay away from them as they are hostile. If you go near them, you will be killed. We likely said, they can attack anyone in their sight. Civil danger issued by the United Yorktons government. We heard an explosion from miles away. We also these unknown people were testing the bombs, and what that means the depression war is starting, and they will launch a nuclear bomb in the next 5 hours. We ask all citizens of the United Yorktons to seek fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a deadly product that comes from a nuclear explosion, and you can be killed by these products. So seek fallout shelter for the next 5 hours before they launch the nuclear bomb. We interrupt our regular programming. Important details will follow. This message has been transmitted of the request of the United Yorktons government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The nuclear bomb from 5 hours ago has exploded Yonkers, and now Yorkton Depression is declaring war on the United Yorktons. They are launching 6 nuclear weapons heading to 6 provinces, and these provinces impacted are include Yonkers, Darwick, Insakila, Cartford, New Utrecht, and Nassau. If you live one of these provinces, seek fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a deadly product that comes from a nuclear.
Everything is okay. Come outside, please. Don't be afraid. Everything is normal. Everything is fine. So come outside.
Explosion, and you can be killed from.
Please do whatever you want. Do not listen to them. Please come and join us.
So bring water, battery-powered radio, food, cell phone charger, and